We're recording.
Oh, crap. I mean, oops. Open it up. What is it? Just be careful. You might break it. Oh! It's to learn how to draw book. How to draw fairies and animals. And look at that. She teaches me how to draw it all. Put that down, Liz. Let's do that after.
Kiss Santa.
Kiss.
Thank you, Santa.
Kiss Santa. Jasmine,
Yes.
come and get your next piece of wood.
Why do you keep going right for it's wood? Because that's what it is.
Oh, yeah. I thought it was a photo.
We're
Can
recording.
you do me again?
We're recording. I will in a minute.
Okay.
Heavy wood.
Stop calling it wood.
Oh. You gotta learn to draw too. Well, you got the bigger one, like the dinosaurs, dragons, horses, men, birds, fairies. How cool is that?
Thank you, Daddy. I mean, Santa.
Daddy?
How many's left, Santa?
Four, I think.
Wow. Is there any
Two on.
for Ashante? Bane?
Yeah.
No, behind you.
Santa
We're
baby.
gonna do her. Oh, we're gonna do all the Shantaes by herself. Open it up. Whew. Thank you, Pops.
Yes, Santa is hot.
Oh,
Thank you,
wow, that's amazing.
Santa.
Jasmine, I've got two here for you. Little wood, little pieces of wood.
Planks of wood.
Open them up. For your piece of wood. Hey, what else do we have? Oh. Oh, graphite pencils. Sketching pencils.
Thank you.
You're a professional artist. And the biggest one is for Jasmine. Come back, Jasmine. I'm gonna. Oh, the biggest one. Oh, come on, sit down here. Whew. It's a little block of sawdust.
It's a rubber, isn't it? It's sawdust, everyone.
Oh, what is it? Is it a car key for a car? It's a rubber! Wow, that's amazing.
Thank you, Daddy. I'm Santa.
Are you married, Santa?
Huh?
Are you married? I can see your wedding ring.
Yeah. For Mrs. Schools. And this is for all the Craig family. Can I open them up now? Hey, you guys can help open this.
Should we get Carter?
Or you just, son? I mean, little boy, do you want to come and open presents? Or you want to lay down?
Do you want to come and open your present? For Santa? He said you got to get